I want to go around every single one. Post this on my YouTube channel. Way too close, my goodness. El Caminos are so cool. I love these things.
Did want one.
Right? Little Edelbrock carb, of course. Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's the old condensing system that we used to have.
Oh.
Probably got set up a Freon.
I was thinking that same thing. Little 20, what was it, 11? Yep. Convertible would be so nice. Oh, it is a V8 too. That's tough from the tips. I think. Well, judging from the badge, it looks like a 6-cylinder though. So I might be wrong. There's no 5.0 badge, so I don't know. It's probably the V6. Not that it matters, it's still pretty. Does it say? No. Yeah, it's the 6-cylinder. Tough on the front. Either way. It's the GOAT. I want to see the engine of this thing too. Those functional? I don't know. I don't think so. Either way. Radial TAs. This looks so comfortable. I can only imagine sitting in this thing. Oh, the pipes right here. I was wondering where they were. That's cool. Ooh, another one. That sounds good too. 4Runner.
What about truck stickers?
Right? I never looked at the inside. That thing's nice though. Look at that. Listen to that too. That sounds so good. I love me a cammed idle. I'm gonna come back for that.
They painted the brake caliper.
Oh yeah, I noticed that. It's that charger. It's that truck again. Look. That thing's cool. Sounds good too.
That was good.
Right? That's what I said. What is this? It's GP thing, Grand Prix, right?
Yeah, this is Grand Prix.
Yeah. That charger. Listen to that. Buick. That's a V8 too. Look at this. God. This will never get old. This whole thing will never get old. Another one. Oh, what's a Coronet? I love Coronets. And a Tesla. Ugh, ruined my day. But still, Coronet. I did a little hop there when I saw it. I hopped a little bit.
I saw.
This is a cool find though, this charger. You don't see these at all. It's a 70, right? 73, yeah. Oh, I love Acorn that. The Bug. Where's the van? It's a 68, I think, Coronet. Just from the grill. I know a lot about Coronets. Not really, but you know. Still smells so good. I know, right? Never. You don't see them anymore. They're all normal, like those.
And white walls.
White walls too. It says "Love me."
Oh, here I am. Love you.
Exactly. Alright, let's go down here and then I guess freaking hair. Another one for the goat. Convertible too. Ready. I love your convertible. It's just furred. I'm way too freaking close. I gotta back the phone up. Woo! What was that? I don't know what that was. Oh, it's the Impala.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. That's why, you know, some people complain about these things.
Listen to that.
It'll die. You know, these guys with our old cars, we're gonna go away. Yep. And I don't know that my kids. I guess my kids like my car more.
Oh, it's my new favorite car. Oh, it's a 500 too. That'll be a V8. I hope my 68 guess is right. It's not. Oh, 67. 1 year off. I was close.
I love how the top is been good.
Right? I adore Coronets. I love these things. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I could stare at this thing all day. I love Coronets. The little money sticker, that's cool. I like that. Those wheels and stuff. I say and stuff. I don't know what that means. Just looks so comfortable. There, tell your Tesla fanboy. Chevy. Not very little, it's big, but still. That's just patina. The rest is, it's just patina. Look at that though. It's a 2-barrel, I think. Carburetor, if I had to guess. It's not as big. It's not big enough to be a 4.
It's a 4.
Is it a 4? Never mind. I'm wrong. I never noticed how freaking wide these wheels were. Oh, my back is killing me. That thing's old. And it's pristine, too. Bumper. Deferred. C4. That. Imagine how much room is in the hood of this. With how long the nose is. My goodness. It's a flip open hood like that, too. I really like that. He's so freaking cool. Oh, still hurts. I forget what this is. Is this a Ford too? No, it's a Plymouth. Never mind. It's a Mustang. I don't really get a good look at this thing. 289? Yeah, 289. It's just 66. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, like where I was.
We got another goat to look at too. Somewhere. Right there, never mind. I'm blind. I didn't really look at this thing either. What the heck? It's a column shifter, of course. Chevrolet. Is it? I don't know, but whatever. My second favorite car in the world. I love this thing. Those tips. Good old C7. It's gigantic brakes. It's so powerful. Transport, I was right. Pro Charger. Your centrifugal supercharger, whatever. Look at that interior too. Can't really tell because it's tinted, but still. Oh, there's a grate there. I about fell. Low profile tires. That's functional. Look at, yep. Oh, radiator. Not radiator, but this is new. Oh, look how comfortable that looks. Oh, what year is this? My goodness. Where'd he go? He disappeared behind the car. '67. Ah. What started up? Oh, that thing, Impala. She blows. This thing, super loud. 100-mile-per-hour club. There he is. Pipes equipped, is it? Of course, not fully shut, but oh well, basically. And that's that.